Alright, welcome back to another episode of CC at the 5. You know what's going on, we're live. We're actually live and direct outside Tire League. You know what's going on, man. You're locked in with the 511 Zambia, mid of the part doing my little thing, you understand? Yeah, this week we're against the Bothersome boys. Last time we played them, run the clips. But look what's going on. But this time out, my head's hot. The axe forgets, but the tree doesn't. We played them a couple weeks ago, and they gave us another chance to get back. You know my slogan, man. Just get back, gang. We're getting blood. Sit back. Get your tea, get your biscuits, put your feet up. And let's get it cracking, man. Alright people, hope you're comfortable. We're playing them Bothersome boys again. They really are bothersome. But Matt told me before the game, he said today, I want it. We need to win. He said I'll do anything. Let me show you.
Jesus Christ.
Very few people I want to get hit in the face with from a football. Matt's one of them. Yeah, you know that one looks like it hurt. Ref, they're doing a sub, ref. He's got to take a breather. I can confirm that he was alright after this. Anyway, early sparring. Matt receives the ball. Hard on. Passes it out. Ball being moved around. Raz with the shot. Keeper saves. Man gets seconds. Keeper gets there again. We're driving forward. H. Won't let that ball rest. Gives the boy L's. The 1-2s are magical. 1-2.
Hey, love that you.
You know how that pipe tastes. 1-0. And I think there is something somewhere. Any game we've gone ahead, we've scored first. We haven't lost.
Unlucky. Yes.
We might be on track to do it again. 2-0, but 2-0 is a very dangerous scoreline in football. If you know me, you've been here long enough. You know that 2-0
Two man on now.
the worst scoreline in football.
Finish you. Unlucky. Man now, man
So
now.
we're looking for a third. Anyway, off camera you can't see what happened. I told Liam go gym. See, he hasn't gone yet. Feet work absolutely crazy though. We would have finished that. Anyway, still 2-0, early sparrings. Few decent blows been thrown about. That's just the beginning though. Anyway, Riaz taking 2 on, runs the traffic. Page gone to help him out. Somehow he's wiggled his way out. Riaz got into the corner, now he turns his man, plays it off.
Yeah,
It's
well,
too
oh
easy.
yeah, the chest camera's new, isn't it?
Yeah, just this new one, yeah. Me.
Oh, you are? Oh, shit.
Ponder to the side and talk about the chest cam. Will come into play soon. 2-0. We seem to be in some sort of control.
What? Shoulder to shoulder, ref. Come on, mate. What's he done to my bridge in the corner? Cool. Sorry, mate. Sorry.
It's unfortunate. Gotta get one back. Two-one.
Bang!
Someone did an incredible save. Anyway, Bothersome boys, being bothersome as usual.
Well in, Dom.
They get another one back.
Yeah, Dom.
2-2. I told you, 2-0, worst score in football. Anything can happen. Anyway, Momin with the ball, aka Mo, aka M Charge, aka is outside. Anyway, the boy Liam today, before the game he told me, yo, have to win, must win game. I said, carry us through. He said, don't worry, I got you. Anyway, chest cam showing you how shit I am. I'm just a defender.
Finish.
Anyway, moving on now. The boy Momin, aka M Charge, putting his body on the line. Anyway, 2-2. Game's very even. Sparring right now.
Follow your men.
It's nothing like AJ versus Dubois. Made AJ look like a legless drunk. Anyway, Bothersome boys in the corner. Find their way out. And they make us pick the ball out the back of the net. They get one back. Anyway, before the game started, Riaz told me he's been in the gym lately. I told him I wouldn't leave this in. Anyway, 3-2, Bothersome boys. Gone ahead. Remember that fact I told you earlier? Just looking at the map, trying to change things. Little 1-2. Me and the boy Mo.
Watch to the left. Right now.
Keep it safe. Ball rolled into me. Baggy touch. Still keep possession though. Into the corner I go. Find a way out. Moment with a great turn. Slaps on. Keep it safe.
Yep. Slap. Ah.
I've cleared it all. That's crazy. I told you, I'm just a defender. 3-2. Ball's back in play.
Yeah.
They seem to have gained some confidence into the game. We got them early goals. And they seem to have found a way back. Hey, drop of the shoulder, beats me. Somehow finds the pass, it's too much. Nothing comes from it. 3-2, I told you they've grown into the game. Sam distributes to Riaz. Riaz drives, shuts off. Just wide.
Momentum though, innit?
Liam with the 1-2 into H. The third one back, it's unlucky, it's just overpowered. You can see he's on it. 1, 2, 3. Matt's working hard. 3-3, back in the game now. You can see where they're on. 1-2 passes, back to the keeper, restart.
Nice.
They find the ball forward, but they're being pushed backwards.
Yeah, nice the way.
Somehow find a little way forward.
Yeah. Nice.
Keepers beat at his near post.
Yeah, I know. But usually, I don't think I've ever seen him sweat enough.
4-3.
Nice the way. Unlucky. Yeah, nice.
I meant 5. 5-3 from 2-0 up to 5-3 down. It's not looking good. Anyway, we win it back. And we lose it again.
Yeah, finish. Yeah.
Not gonna lie, it's a good run. Good finish. But now we're 3 goals down. The fact is, it wasn't good enough. Anyway, 6-3. I meant 6-4.
Oh, I was about to bet.
Off the clip of the crossbar. Every week I tell you, it's not over until the fat lady sinks. It never is. Oh, they've clipped the boy M.
Finish. Yeah.
The free kick, we get one back. 6-5. I think the boys are starting to wake up now. Riaz in the 50-50 comes out on top.
finds the ball to Liam.
I love that.
Here's a side net.
No, but it's still good. Oh.
Cool.
Good play.
Surprising the players carried on there. Someone else might have gone down. From their attack to our attack, it's pinball at the moment. Back and forth.
Well in, Ewan.
It's a very violent half, 6-5.
The link up's mad, they can't one touch.
Yeah, but then when you both
Potentially they can change that.
Yeah.
you just
That's what I'm thinking.
that's what
Unless
one went
you
off
two are
last five.
exhausted.
Only one person went off last five.
You need the minutes.
So it depends on what that's what round.
We'll do it. We'll
Just-
play
you call
by
it.
by
Just
ear,
you
innit?
call it.
Yeah, we'll play by ear. Every time we go, we'll play by ear, innit?
Five,
That's
my
one
opinion.
goal. Yes,
I have to lose.
Was it 6-5? It's
Wait, just stay with your man.
Yeah.
There's one.
There's one.
If you have quicker feet than you think, just be a bit aware.
Yeah.
The guy that Brazil can still, yeah, the good little one, the Sanga one still.
But like this moves on, honestly, 1-2, the gaps are there.
Yeah, it's looking good though, isn't it? Let's just go close it out, man. That's it, yeah.
We've got to win it.
Let's go get closer in it, that's it.
Follow your lead in that.
Same five that started, that finishes half, start, and then Matt will come on, and we'll work from there, innit? What? Like, up in my face for?
Game management.
Get on my fucking face.
Game management.
Second half underway. Let's get it cracking, man. Bothersome boys start off as they finished, looking quite good. Ball being moved around, slow it down.
Wide right,
give
wide
their
right,
keeper.
wide right. Good, H.
H intercepts.
Unlucky.
Come off the
Get
post.
closer.
Get back. Well ahead.
Save, Sam.
Sam with a great save. He's done better than I would have done.
Cool. Save, Sam. In left shoulder, left shoulder. Hey, you're attacking now anyway.
Oh boy.
You know, we're looking for the next goal, so we don't go too out of it.
Unlucky, H.
I think H was caught in two minds there, whether to pass or not. Should have just levered it. Anyway, while we're looking for a goal,
Unlucky, Liam.
they get another one. 7-5. And I think they're starting to gain the control that they're looking for. Liam just can't get that bit that he wanted on it. You know he wanted to lever it. Anyway, the boy Riaz coming forward, gets a shot off. Keeping it slow.
Man now.
Ball being moved around there.
Good, Liam.
I just want to show how we're keeping the ball and moving it around. Unlucky H.
Right there.
I've done the same thing.
Well done, Riaz.
But look how quick we lose the ball, and within 10 seconds we've got the ball back. 7-5. But this game's far from done. Anyway, driven to H, controls it. Mo tries to drive it into Liam. Gets picked off. 7-5, Mo driving forward. It's unlucky.
They're sitting in wall, they've got a lead. What is it, 6-5, 7-5?
Run on. Good, Ewan.
7-5, that guy just left it, let it roll. I couldn't stretch, but done enough.
Man now.
Excuse my heavy breathing. It's hard work. I'm a heavy guy. Anyway, we're doing enough. We're keeping them back. Gets a shot off.
Heads.
Out, go out.
Hold on, no way, he's not touched him. No, he didn't kick the ball. He kicked the ball.
Are you right, player? Yep. Finish. Good.
Boy H with a great finish.
They look nasty, but
Do you want to come off?
brilliant. What a fucking
Matt, you right?
7-6, we get one back in it. It is confirmed that the players are right though.
Yes, please.
Play him. Yeah, good.
Hey, boy Liam coming forward.
Finish.
Gets 2 quick shots off. Keep it safe.
Well done, Matt.
Lefty.
7-6. 7-7.
Well played.
7-0, yeah?
You know, me and Liam been playing together for about 10
Good.
years.
Yep. Matt, go on.
I've seen him do things like this since college.
Yes. Hey, Matt, good running.
You Saturday, man.
7-7. Games in the balance.
Are you away that week?
So yeah, I literally told him ages ago. He's like, okay, and then he put that in the chat today that we ain't got a game. I was like, oh man. Finish.
That would have shot. It's like pinball. He's rushed it. He's under pressure. It's wide. Anyway, boy Liam.
Two of you talk. There you go. Finish that, my boy. Hey.
Good player, man.
You link up with the boy Liam and H. Outstanding.
His backing goals right now, you know, disrupt it.
8-7.
Before I said doing well.
Doing well right now, as the boy M says. But they get one back. 8-8. We seem to be getting the goals and we seem to be leaking goals too. What's going wrong? Anyway, Liam and H making sure things go right.
Unlucky. There we go. Good. Reset.
Chairman on the sidelines thinking Matt should come off because he hurt himself a little bit.
Soldier. One man on.
I had to tell him Matt's a soldier, but she said
Back ball.
it's a good idea to rest him. Anyway, 8-8, Bothersome boys seem to have found another lease of life. This guy was probably their best player. He had a little the Jogo Benito shirt from 2006. But you know what? That won't save him. 8-8. I might have spoke too soon.
Someone goes here.
9-8, Riaz on the scoreboard. They got another one back, 9-9.
Yep. Go on,
Wrong
man. What line,
position for
man?
myself. He's got a bit of luck, it's bounced off me, just gone. Played the ball.
Fuck.
That's how I feel.
Yeah, Momin, follow him.
Well, yeah, that's fucking great. Unlucky.
Yeah,
Tried to put in the corner. Keep it safe.
Go ahead.
Riaz into H into Momin.
Yes, go on.
Body there. Riaz drives it into that bottom corner.
Down line. On there.
10-9. Still a dangerous scoreline. We've got to make sure we defend it. We're ahead. We've come back from positions being behind 2 goals, 3 goals. We find ourselves ahead now. At 10-9, they're looking for this guy to get the ball and work something. But Riaz is there to block. H finding Riaz. Riaz, they're just moving the ball around at the moment.
Not picking her on a Saturday.
Surprising one, but
Very good player.
you got winning.
10-9.
Yeah, that's it.
trying to
Stay
defend
close,
this
stay
lead.
close. Alright, Liam, I
defend
love
like
that,
this.
mate. Slow it down.
Slowing it
Hey,
down.
unlucky H.
Shouting on the sidelines.
I won't buy this one here free.
But
Well
this
done,
game,
Matt.
my voice was half gone.
No way, definitely good.
Harry,
Harry, come on, put it.
yes.
Harry, fucking point at you. Well done, Liam. Well done, Riyadh.
11-9, whole team working right
Oh, I
now.
got the number for it.
We got one back. Now we're
Hey,
2
well done,
ahead.
Matt.
Let's defend this one now. Hayes blocks the pass. They get it back. They're coming forward still, pushing us into
There's one
our
more.
half deeper and deeper.
Someone get across. Hey, save, Sam. You've done enough. Drive now, drive. We are scream.
3 on 2.
Hey, Liam.
Liam wraps that one.
Turn. Hurry, hurry. Hey, unlucky. Hey, get back now, get back now.
The boy
Take to Paston.
6 foot plus, lanky Liam, taking him to Paston on a dark Monday night.
Second, I think, you know.
He's on fire right now.
I think so. You got second, didn't it?
12-9.
Second half of the season, isn't it?
As the sky gets darker, the lights get brighter.
Hey, let's work, let's work.
The game's drawing to a
Here we
close.
are. Hey, he was in the blow as well, he was in the blow.
We got lucky there.
Him, he's left you, he's drifted.
12-9. But as a wise man
Drive,
once said,
drive. Go on.
when the fat lady sings, the game's done. The boys messing around at the end, but that's the final whistle. 12-9.
Hey, well done, good battle.
First
like that, man.
3
That was
points on the
fucking quality.
board.
Hey, well done, mate. I wish we was on more together. I wanted to battle you a bit more. Well done. Well done. Hey, Keeps, well done. Well done, player. Cheers, ref.
Good game, that.
Yeah, it was a good, very good game. Yeah.
Oh my God, first win of the season.
Such a great.
Jeez. 12-9.
Sam, fucking love that from you, mate.
You could see. You could see we were going to win.
Oh, 100%. Oh, I done
To the Paston.
Yeah.
No, the very good. Hey,
Too busy firing them at their keys. That's what the difference was. It was.
yeah, second half the defending was way better than the first half, innit?
Alone again, Sam. Alone again. No poses this week. Poses? Where's the poses this week? That girl.
I'm a little boy when he scores, he goes, what's the impact he will do? Because when he scores, he goes like, I don't know, like,
Oh,
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I want to get home and have fucking salt and soft and have a crisp sandwich.
Okay, four more, 15 points.
They're
Yeah,
all must
top
win.
wins. Yeah, 100%. 17 points.
Game management, innit? We managed it still. Jose Mourinho on the sidelines. I've been having nightmares, lads, about not winning on that. It's killing me.
They're decent.
I'm losing sleep in that. You know, it comes to doing the commentary of the video, I'm thinking, hey, fuck this, man. Did I know who man is, blood?
It's not coming out till 6 though.
It's like, yeah, man. I'm getting mad in that. Yeah, I'm getting mad. I'm thinking, fuck. They're just laughing at us. They're sitting at home laughing at us. They love it when we lose. Teams come past and they go, oh, you're not losing again. What do you mean are we losing again? My head was getting hot.